Okay, first time vlogging, and it's a drift day today. Super convenient with one hand. Well, what do we have here? My S13 is pretty much ready for the drift day. Here's my Skyline. I will film the review later in the episodes. Now it's time to load stuff and go for a 1 hour drive. All right, let's fire up. By the engine noise. Try to get, what is that under the hood? Not a V8, not an SR, not a CA, not a KA. What is that? I've got a Paw Patrol finger. Hey guys. It's a beautiful Sunday and we're going on wheels. The car is fully packed. We have 25 liters of fuel. We have 6 wheels, 15-inch and 17-inch. Sunny weather. Hopefully everything would be just great today. That's nice. right, so the car survived, and yeah, like because it's the coal factory or coal mine, I don't know, like the car is super dirty. Like that's the only issue. I did not use much tires, only one pair, and it was already used, so I believe I will return to this place one more time and more because the guys are very chill. The event itself is a lot of fun, so yeah, amazing day. This is how we look after the event. And I've tried drifting on these wheels. These are ultra high performance cheap Chinese crap, and it went pretty well, but the speed is uncomfortably high when you use the like kinda normal tires, because with my 15-inch cheap used winter tires, there is no grip. Nobody there has any grip. That's why really it should not be different, and that's a lot of fun, and it saves you a lot of cash because you can still run on some cheap used tires, 15-inch. You do not ruin your clutch, you don't ruin your transmission. So yeah. So it's far from good, but good from far. Cleaned it, almost no new damage, only here I've been hitting this coal. I think that would be visible on the onboard. And no damage from the tandems. However, this guy comes from my Czech incident when I hit the wall. Other than that, returning back home in one piece. Mamma mia! Well, I've made it to the garage, so thanks for watching and see you in the next one.